Hello student, now today we are going to start the third exercise of area and perimeter. So here we are dealing with the circle. Now the area of the circle is defined as pi r square, where r is the radius of the circle. Perimeter is also defined as perimeter, we can call it circumference also. Perimeter means circumference, this boundary. So perimeter is also defined as 2 pi into r. In place of 2r we can write d also. D is the diameter of the circle. So here pi into d means pi into diameter will be also the circumference of the circle, where pi you can take it as 3.14 or 22 upon 7. If r is multiple of 7, then take 22 upon 7, else you can take it as 3.14. It depends on the question, you will come to know. Now we come on the exercise. Find the circumference of area of a circle of radius 20 centimeters. So here radius is already given 20 centimeter and we need to find out the circumference and area. So first thing we will calculate area of the circle. Area of the circle formula is pi r square, or we can write area of the circle is pi is 3.14, r is 20, r square is there, so 20 multiplied with 20. Now multiplying all this I will get 1256 centimeter square. So this is the area of the circle. Now we need to calculate circumference. Circumference is 2 pi r. So 2 into 3.14 into r is 20. Multiplying all this I will get 125.6 centimeters. So this is circumference or perimeter of the circle. We can call it circumference also. Now next question. Question is, a gardener wants to fence a circular garden of diameter 21 meter. Find the length of the rope he needs to purchase if he makes 2 rounds of the fence. Also find the cost of the rope if its cost is 4 meter. Now perimeter or boundary of the garden will, you know that circumference is pi into diameter and diameter is given 21. If he want to fence the rope, okay, so fence is actually the boundary, and boundary we can calculate of a circle is, that is pi into diameter. Diameter is given 21 and in place of pi I will take 22 upon 7. So I can write 22 upon 7 into 21. Now 7 cancels out with 21, you will get 3. So perimeter of the garden is your 22 into 3, that is 66. Now here it is fencing it 2 times. So I need to multiply with 2 to get the length of the rope in 2 rounds. That is 2 into 66, that is 132 meter. Now the cost is 4 rupees per meter, so I need to just multiply with 4 to get the cost. So here the cost will be 4 into 132, that is rupees 528 is needed. Okay. Now we move on to next question. Find the length of a diameter of a circle whose circumference is 44 centimeter. Now we need to find out the diameter and circumference is given 44. So circumference is equal to pi into diameter. We know this formula. In place of circumference I will write 44 and in place of pi I will write 22 upon 7. So I will get 44 equals to 22 upon 7 into diameter. Now this is 7 is divided here, so on the other side it will be multiplied, and 22 is multiplied here, so on the other side it will be divided. So diameter will be 44 into 7 by 22. 22 cancels out with 44, you will get 2 into 7. So diameter will be 2 into 7, that is 14 centimeter. Let's move on to next question. Here find the radius and circumference of a circle whose area is given 144 pi centimeter square. We know that area formula is pi into r square. So in place of area I will write 144 pi. So here I will get 144 pi equals to pi r square. Pi cancels out, I will get r square is equal to 144, or 144 can be written as 12 square. So r will be equal to 12. So radius is 12 centimeter. Now we need to calculate the circumference. Circumference formula is 2 pi r. So 2 into 3.14 into 12, multiplying all these 3 I will get 75.36 centimeter. So this is the circumference of the circle. Now next, How many times will the wheel of a car rotate in a journey of 88 km given that the diameter of the wheel is 56? Just think of that you have a circle, okay, and you are just rotating it. So how much distance will it cover? It will cover the distance equal to its circumference, means boundary. So, and if you are rotating it many times, total distance covered will be equal to n times the number of n times means will be your number of rotations multiplied with the circumference. So here in one rotation of wheel, car will cover the distance equal to its circumference of the wheel. Now circumference can be find out, that is pi into diameter, and diameter is given here 56 centimeters. So in place of pi I am writing 22 upon 7. In place of d I am writing 56. 7 times 8 is 56. 8 multiplied with 22 is 176 centimeters. So circumference is 176 centimeters. Now the number of rotations will be equal to total distance covered upon distance covered in one rotation, and distance covered in one rotation will be 176. So total distance is 88 kilometer, and here I have written 176 centimeter. Now kilometer and centimeter are two different units. I need to convert it into same unit. So to convert kilometer to centimeter, I need to multiply with 10,000. So here 1 lakh, sorry. So here 88 into 1 lakh centimeter upon 176 centimeter. Cancelling out, I will get 50,000. So 50,000 is the number of rotation to cover the distance 88 kilometer.